Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad Arif Syahmy bin Mohamad Hishammudin. My matrix number is 2210357. At this time, my group members will be presenting about leadership skills based on a movie. We have chosen a movie that is inspired by a true story, which is Pascal the movie. From that movie, we have done a few analyses so that we can take the lessons to be implemented in our life. Basically, Pascal is a movie, a story that is portraying the credibility of Royal Malaysian Navy personnel, particularly the Navy Special Force, as well known as Pascal. There is a scene where the main character is facing challenges as a Navy Special Force throughout his journey undergoes an operation to rescue a tanker that was taken by Somalian pirates. At that moment, we can see how he, as an alpha leader, showing his leadership skills until he managed to counter those pirates and save people on the ship.
Hello my fellow friends, I'm Nur Sabrina Binti Rosli. I'm here to talk about part that Ahmad facing problem. So stay tuned. First of all, Ahmad facing problem with his own mother, where his mother cannot accept him as a army because of his late father who sacrificed himself to the country. So his mother was so worried that Ahmad also died. Second, Ahmad also have argument with his friend Mohamad Zarif bin Zafruddin, aka Jeb. During the training session, Jeb is very jealous about Ahmad's personality and how disciplined Ahmad was. Next, Ahmad was losing his friend, who is Joshua, during a mission in Angola in 2011. Joshua is one of Ahmad's closest friends and a Chinese Malaysian Pascal commando. He is married to Lily and had a son. He was unintentionally killed by Jeb during a confrontation in Angola. Okay, now let's hear from Iffa, my friends.
Next, the disguise of Ahmad was uncovered by tracking down a criminal who had been long tracked down by a Pascal party. This is because one of the members of the criminal group is a former Pascal member and also colleague of Ahmad. So they had to cancel the plan of that day and change another strategy because of course a former Pascal member knew about the work SOP of a Pascal member. Lastly, the ship where Lily worked is captured by criminal and Lily is taken hostage by Jeb because Jeb wants Ahmad to participate in the mission so that he can fight with Ahmad because he wants to prove that he is better than Ahmad. This is due to Jeb's envy towards Ahmad's success during training to become Pascal.
Alright, my name is Harith Haziq. I'll be explaining leadership strategies used in executing the mission. The main character shows outstanding critical thinking throughout this movie to overcome challenges as Royal Military Navy. In this movie, we can see in this SWOT diagram. Strength that Ahmad shows throughout this movie is his perseverance towards military training and in his mission. He managed to adapt all challenges that he went throughout this movie, and his bravery excels in his military training as a Royal Military Pascal. For his weaknesses, Ahmad was having conflict and dilemma to choose over his mother or to pursue his career. This really hinders productivity and ability for Ahmad to reach his potential level as military Pascal. opportunities that Amran could take is that he could just stay at home and took care of his mother, but then again, he refused to do so and accepting the mission to take down the criminals. Lastly, threats that portrayed by Amran is that he shows kinda impulsive behavior when he was with his colleague or his team, and often may jeopardize reliability and success during his mission as a military and Pascal.
In conclusion, Pascal is an awesome movie. The storyline, script, acting, stunt, moral of the story are good. Pascal is packed with intelligence, family, love, friendship, and integrity. I love the message of the story. Ending of the movie, Arman and his fellow teammates receive award for their bravery and hard work during their last operations. The Admiral invited Arman for a talk. He told Arman that being a Pascal is not easy and need a lot of sacrifice. Sometimes you have to leave your family and put your word and country first. But if you devote yourself for your country, you devote yourself for your family too, because we are all nations. That is a good message. It makes you feel grateful being a warrior and save a lot of life.